Everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to connect it without internet on Note 60 Pro. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so first of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in settings, click on sound and vibration and click on do not disturb, and turn off do not disturb mode. After turn off do not disturb mode, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on system. After click on system, click on reset phone and click on reset all settings. Click on reset, enter phone pin, click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so restart phone, just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon. You will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.